Hello viewers, welcome to MathTech. I am Amit Sharma. In this video, we are going to solve questions from 16 to 20 of chapter 3 from the book Contemporary Abstract Algebra by Joseph Galen. So without a delay, let's start. Question number 16. Suppose that H is a non-empty subset of a group G with the property that if A and B belongs to H, then A inverse into B inverse belongs to H. Prove or disprove that this is enough to guarantee that H is a subgroup of G. Let G is equal to Q4 containing the element 1 minus 1 iota minus iota j minus j k minus k is a group under multiplication. This is known as quaternion group. Let H containing the element 1 iota minus iota, this is the subset of Q. Now take A equal to 1 and B equal to iota, that belongs to H. Now A inverse into B inverse, this is equal to 1 inverse into iota inverse. Now 1 inverse is 1 and iota inverse is minus iota. This is equal to minus iota. This belongs to H. That is, H satisfies the given condition. But H is not a group. Why it is so? As iota multiplied by iota is minus 1, that is not belongs to H, means the set is not closed under multiplication. Therefore, H is not a subgroup of G. Hence, if A comma B belongs to H, implies A inverse B inverse belongs to H, doesn't guarantee that H is a subgroup of G. Question number 17. Prove that if an abelian group has more than 3 elements of order 2, then it has at least 7 elements of order 2. Find an example that shows this is not true for a non-abelian group. The following result is very useful in order to solve the question. Result. The number of elements of order 2 in Dn is n plus 1 if n is even, n if n is odd. Now given G be an abelian group having more than 3 elements of order 2, let A comma B belongs to G are of 2 elements of order 2. This implies AB belongs to G be the third element of order 2. Let C belongs to G be the fourth element of order 2. This implies AC, BC and ABC belongs to G are another 3 elements of order 2. Therefore, G has at least 7 elements of order 2. Hence, if G is an abelian group has more than 3 elements of order 2, then it has at least 7 elements of order 2. But this result is not true for non-abelian group, as D4 is non-abelian group and has exactly 5 elements of order 2. Question number 18. Suppose that A is a group element and A to the power 6 is equal to identity. What are the possibility for order of A? Provide reason for your answer. In order to solve the question, we have to remember the following result. Result. Let G be a group and A belongs to G having property that A to the power n is identity, then order of A divides n. Let G be a group and A belongs to G having property A to the power 6 is equal to identity. Since A to the power 6 is equal to identity, this implies order of A divides 6. Therefore, the possibility for order of A is 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now, we have to check why possibility for order of A is not 4 and 5. One reason is that 4 and 5 does not divide 6. Let an instant if we take order of A is 4 or 5, what happened? If we take A to the power 5 is equal to identity, which is again written as A to the power 6. Why it is so? Because A to the power 6 is equal to identity. Now multiply A to the power minus 5 on both sides, we get A to the power 5 into A to the power minus 5 is equal to A to the power 6 into A to the power minus 5. This is known as identity and this is known as A. This implies A is identity. This implies order of A is 1, which is already included in this possibility. Therefore, order of A is 5 is not possible. Now, if we take A to the power 4 is equal to identity, which is further written as A to the power 6. Why it is so? Because A to the power 6 is equal to identity. Now multiply A to the power minus 4 on both sides, we get A to the power 4 into A to the power minus 4 is equal to A to the power 6 into A to the power minus 4. This is simplified as identity and this is simplified as A square. This implies order of A square is equal to identity. This implies order of A is either 1 or 2, which is already included in the previous possibility. Therefore, order of A is 4 is not possible. Hence, if A is a group element and A to the power 6 is equal to identity, then the possibility for order of A are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Question number 19. If A is a group element and A has infinite order, prove that A to the power m is not equal to A to the power n when m is not equal to n. Let G be a group and A belongs to G such that order of A is infinity. Let, if possible, A to the power m is equal to A to the power n when m is less than n. Now multiplied A to the power minus m on both sides, we get A to the power m into A to the power minus m is equal to A to the power n into A to the power minus m. This is simplified as identity and this is simplified as A to the power n minus m. This implies A to the power n minus 1 is identity. This implies order of A divides n minus m. This implies order of A is finite, which is contradiction to the given that A has infinite order. Hence, if A is a group element and A has infinite order, then A to the power m is not equal to A to the power n when m is not equal to n. Question number 20. Let x belongs to a group if x square is not equal to identity and x to the power 6 is equal to identity. Prove that x to the power 4 is not equal to identity and x to the power 5 is not equal to identity. What can we say about the order of x? Now, given G be a group and x belongs to G such that x to the power 6 is equal to identity and x square is not equal to identity. Now, we have to show that x to the power 4 is not equal to identity and x to the power 5 is not equal to identity. Let, if possible, x to the power 4 is equal to identity. Now, multiply x square on both sides, we get x to the power 4 into x square is equal to e into x square. This is x to the power 6, which is identity, and this is x square. This implies x square is equal to identity, which is contradiction to the given that x square is not equal to identity. Therefore, x to the power 4 is not equal to identity. Now, let, if possible, x to the power 5 is equal to identity. Now, multiply x on both sides, we get x to the power 5 into x is equal to the power x. This is x to the power 6, which is equal to identity, and e into x is x. This implies x is equal to identity. This implies x square is equal to identity, which is again contradiction to the given that x square is not equal to identity. Therefore, x to the power 5 is not equal to identity. Since x to the power 6 is equal to identity, this implies order of x divides 6. This implies possibility for order of x are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now, order of x cannot be 1 and 2. Why it is so? If we take order of x is 1 and 2, this implies x square is identity, which is contradiction to the given condition. This implies possibility for order of x is 3 or 6. Hence, order of x is either 3 or 6. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any query, comment me. Thank you very much.